finished AutoRoute Tracer Hub, mapping the autonomous sequences, tuning for the MK4 and swerve drive, button mapping for the controller, and we also calculated the robot angle and distance to targets.
In hardware, we had our rookie team start building Kitbot. We had multiple CAD design teams start designing our shooter intake and our hopper. And we were able to successfully build a shooter prototype.